You give what we want, what we request, everything. So, kung ano yung pinag-usapan, talagang gagawin nyo. Actually, beyond expectation pa nga minsan yung binigay nyo service. So, yun yung gusto ko.
Truly grateful that you have chose us to be part of your journey, and we'd love to feature your story to inspire others. With that, I just have a few questions for you. Una sir, kamusta po kayo?
So, ito okay naman. So, I don't have too much sleep for today because nga inasikaso ko nga yung mga documents. So, to begin with, actually it's my wife who ang nag-introduce sa GST consultancy. So, first of all, siyempre medyo may doubt, but then my wife, friends, so they also a client nyo rin. Yun nga, nakuha namin, nagkano nga kami sa inyo sa GST Consultancy. So, ayun nga. So, first, of course, may doubt kami. Kahit naman sino siguro, di ba? Pero, as the day passed, so, nakikita ko kasi yung eagerness nung team nyo. As in, everyday. What I like is merong documented lahat ng ginagawa nyo. So, transparent kayo kung ano yung ginagawa niyo sa amin. So, meron kayong file. So, they will share with us. So, hindi naman mahirap kausap yung mga staff nyo. So, we just explain to them. And then, they just do what we want. So, sa akin, hindi yung doubt namin before is nawala kasi nga, na-prove ng GST na worth it lahat. Kasi nga, from day 1 hanggang ngayon, talagang i-help talaga kayo. Tsaka, ang gusto ko is, sa staff nyo, nagre-respond sila. Yun yung gusto ko. Responsive yung mga staff nyo. So, yun yung isa sa pinaka-gusto ko. Kahit naman sino siguro, di ba, napaka-responsive nila.
Thank you po, sir, sa yung kind words, and we are really happy here at GSTV sa consultancy that we had managed your expectation, and naging happy naman po kayo sa aming services. Siguro, what would you advise naman other individuals or other people who are considering GSTV sa consultancy for their journey?
So, ang para sa akin lang, just give your trust to GST kasi from what we experience, talagang binigay nila lahat yung effort to help you. Actually, napaka-demanding pa nga namin eh. Pero wala silang parang okay, sige, tatry natin yan. Ganun yung staff, yung mga employee, yung staff nyo. So, yun yung maganda. So, try nyo. Maybe magbibigay sila ng mga suggestion. But pero siyempre, they will give you plan B, plan A. So, yun yung maganda. So, I'm still happy na naging part kami nito. Mga magiging pa ng GST. So, huwag kayo matakot. Just give your faith to GST. For sure, they will help you, like us.
Lastly, would you recommend us to your friends or family?
Definitely yes. Kasi nga, based on my experience, so wala kami naging problema from day 1 until now. So, like I said, kami pa yung naging demanding. Pero wala kami narinig na kahit sa inyo. So, you give what we want, what we request, everything. So, kung ano yung pinag-usapan, talagang gagawin nyo. Actually, beyond expectation pa nga minsan yung binigay nyo service. So, yun yung gusto ko. So, unlike nga sa iba na kung ano lang yung nasa contract, yun lang. Pero yung GST, as long as na magiging happy yung client, binibigay nila talaga.
Salamat din po sa inyong time that you can share your story with us. And again, we only hope for the best for you. Thank you so much again, Sir Karim.